If you have keychains attached, you don't have to take them off. You can just leave that on. Press right here where it says push. At the same time, you pull out on this little ring, in this particular case, or the keychain, and it pulls out the physical key. Now, there is a spot right in here. You use the physical key, or you can use a little flathead screwdriver, but right in here, that little section, you can use the physical key to put in there and twist. So, get a close up here, put it right in, and then you twist. And it pops it open like that. Now, set down the physical key, but you want to be careful here, and you want to have the buttons facing down like this, and then slowly pull it apart. Just kind of slowly take this cover off, and you'll see there's a seal there, and then there's the battery. So we go ahead and set this side down. So once you get to this point here, this whole section right here can fall out. So you want to keep this up. And then when you take the battery out, you want to place your finger right here to hold it in place, because we are going to pry a little bit right in here. So you can see these little keepers are fixed. These will flex a little bit. So this is where the side you want to kind of pry up a little bit, like so. Just kind of pop it up and get past these little keepers. You see it got past that one. Now this one's holding it. Just kind of gently pry right there. And of course the battery might fly out on you once it releases from that side. Now don't touch inside here. And when you get the new battery, what you do is you place it underneath these little keepers here. So these are the ones, these are fixed, so you don't want to pry on those. So basically what you want to do is kind of spring loaded. And so you can press in, down, and then push down with your finger like that. And then that way, make sure it's underneath those first, and then these will snap in place. And then, make sure both of those are snapped good. And then keep the key fob like this. And then you can go ahead and get the other side and make sure that you're not dumping it out once again, because this center part will fall out. And then we can just place this over top, kind of jiggle it, line it up properly, and then you want to snap it. Basically just kind of press like so, and you might have to press in here, but you want to go around the edge and make sure this is sealed up here, and then this edge right here is all pressed in. You might have to press it in. That time it just snapped all in place. So now just get the physical key, put it back in place, make sure that snaps good and it's secure, and you're all finished.